Happy Canadian Thanksgiving, sandwich fans. Sandwich Dad here. Why do we do Thanksgiving on the second Tuesday in October instead of in November? Well, it's a harvest festival and it's just too cold here at the end of November. I'm going to make two Thanksgiving sandwiches. First, my favorite, that's the leftover dinner roll, pulled apart, never cut. Turkey unceremoniously just piled on there as high as you can get it. A little bit of stuffing if you're lucky enough to actually have any left over. Big glob of mayonnaise, yellow mustard, and that's it, the quick and easy Thanksgiving sandwich. But there is another. Yes, as a member of the greater sandwich community, I would be remiss if I did not make a MoistMaker. 3 slices of bread, toasted, and I'm going to make it fancy. I'm going to use this Saskatoon-style mustard from the Gravelbourg Mustard Company. Seems to be just regular mustard with Saskatoon berries ground up inside it. But it is technically a French mustard, as Gravelbourg in Saskatchewan is pronounced Gravelbourg, a Franco-Saskois community. I've got some ham as well. I make a small ham on Thanksgiving because one of my kids just won't eat turkey. I also usually have a cheese plate, and I've got some brie left over from that. So with the mustard, the ham, and the brie, we are upping our game for our MoistMaker this year. This is some butternut squash that I grew in my garden this year and roasted. Mashed potatoes on top of that. And then the middle piece of bread goes into the gravy, soaking on both sides, of course. An absolutely brilliant way to get that nice liquid gravy into our Thanksgiving sandwich. All right, on the gravy-soaked middle piece of bread, we're going to pile on some of our turkey, white and dark meat, a little bit of cranberry sauce. Next, the stuffing. I made extra stuffing this year just to be sure I could make this sandwich complete and gigantic. Then we're going to spread some mayonnaise on that final piece of toast, put the toque on, for it is Canadian Thanksgiving, and boy, that's a nice looking sandwich from the other side. Cut diagonally, and wait for it, reveal. Hey now, doesn't even fit in the frame, the marvelous MoistMaker Thanksgiving Club sandwich. But first, our regular turkey bun. It's just turkey on a dinner roll, but man, is that good. I'm gonna need a bunch more of these, I'll tell you what. This I'm only gonna eat one of, the MoistMaker. It's, you gotta do the 2-bite if you have a tiny mouth like me. So we go bite once, bite twice, then it all gets in one bite. It's not an everyday sandwich, but Thanksgiving is about bounty. Being thankful for the cornucopia of sandwich ingredients you have, and throwing moderation and good sense portioning out the window. For winter is coming, and the night is dark and full of terrors. But luckily, we have sandwiches. This is Sandwich Dad saying, sorry about that piece of potato on my nose. Good day!